Hi, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Apply tutorial series. My name is Bonnie and I'm an admissions officer. In this video, we will be covering the high school's attended tile in the academic history quadrant. To begin, once you've completed your personal information, you will navigate to the academic history quadrant. From here, you will be asked to enter your high school's that you attended. If you're applying as a transfer student, we will not use your high school coursework in the application, but you will need to enter the high school you attended, dates of attendance, and the date that you graduated. From the high school's attended screen, click Add High School. Find your high school by first searching your country and searching by your state, city, zip code, or CEEB code. Select the school from the list below, or narrow your search further by typing the name of your high school in the search box. The system will display results that match the information you typed. Select the correct matching school. It may take several tries to find your school, especially if your school name is abbreviated. For example, San Luis Obispo Classical Academy is abbreviated as SLO Classical Academy. If you're searching by city, make sure that you have the correct city that your high school is located in. If you still cannot find your school, use the Can't Find Your School option, which allows you to manually enter your school. Enter the dates of the first and last terms that you attended. Select the high school's term type from the drop-down menu. Make sure you select the correct term type for your school. If you're unsure of the term type, contact your high school counselor. If your school uses multiple term types, you must add the high school multiple times for each term. Click Save This School. Add more high schools as needed. You can add a maximum of 5 high schools. If you attended more than 5 high schools, list the schools that you have taken the majority of your A through G requirements at. If you are homeschooled in high school, start by clicking Add a High School. Select the Homeschool tab. Use the country, state, province, and city drop-downs to enter the location of your homeschool. Enter the name of your homeschool or associated school or organization. Enter the dates of the first and last terms you attended. Select the homeschool's term type from the drop-down menu. Click Save This School. Add more high schools as needed. Once you have added your high schools, you will then need to choose your graduation status. Select if you received or expect to receive a high school diploma or high school equivalency, GED, or HiSET certificate, and the date you received or expect to receive it. If you did not graduate from high school, select I did not graduate from high school. If you've entered more than one high school, it will ask you to choose which one you received your high school diploma from. Once complete, click Save and Continue at the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching and feel free to contact our office with any further questions. We wish you the best of luck.